Hello friends, welcome to my channel Study Lakshya. Today we will discuss the short trick to remember the national parks in India. So let us move to the first state, national parks of Uttarakhand. To remember the national parks in Uttarakhand, a short trick is a boy named Raja went to propose to his girlfriend Nanda Devi with flowers, but she rejected him as his body was too weak. He went to gym trainer. The trainer advised him to swim the river Ganga. Then he became strong and they married. They went to Uttarakhand for their honeymoon. So using this short trick, the short term is a boy named Raja. That means the Raja to this comes Rajaji National Park. Proposed to his girlfriend Nanda Devi. This is Nanda Devi National Park with flowers. Flowers comes from Valley of Flower National Park, but she was rejected him as his body was too weak. He went to gym trainer. Gym trainer है Jim Corbett National Park. The trainer advised him to swim in the river Ganga. Ganga, it comes from Gangotri National Park. All these national parks are comes under which Uttarakhand. This is the short trick to remember national parks in Uttarakhand. Then move to next slide. Next slide is national parks of Madhya Pradesh. Let's start. Trick is on Saturday, Khana brothers Madhav and Mandal watched the movie Phana with their Maruti van driver Sanjay Kunu of Pench. The term Saturday it comes from Satpura National Park, and Khana it comes from Khana National Park. Then brothers means Bandhavgarh National Park. Bandhav means what? Na brothers. So it comes from brothers. Then two name is Madhav and Mandal. Madhav comes from Madhav National Park. Mandal comes from Mandal National Park. Watch the movie with Phana. Phana comes from Phana National Park with their Maruti van driver. Van comes from Bon Bihar National Park. Driver Sanjay Kunu with Pench. Sanjay comes from Sanjay National Park. Kunu comes from Kunu National Park. Then Pench too, it comes from Pench National, the Priyadarshini National Park. This is the short trick to remember the national parks of Madhya Pradesh. Trick is gone on Saturday. Khana brothers Madhav and Mandal watched the movie Phana with their Maruti van driver Sanjay Kunu of Pench. Then move to next slide. National parks of Chhattisgarh. And the trick is Indravati was chatting when the teacher was teaching, so he became angry. Indravati was chatting when the teacher was teaching, so he became angry. The term Indravati, it comes from Indravati National Park. Chattings, it comes from Chhattisgarh. So remember the name of the national park of the state is Chhattisgarh. Then the teachers comes from Guru Gasi National Park. Guru means what? A teacher. So you can remember this Guru Gasi National Park. So he became angry. Angry, it comes from Kangar Valley National Park. Kangar Valley National Park. This is the short trick to remember the national park of Chhattisgarh. Then move to next slide. National parks in Rajasthan. And the short trick Rajasthan ପାଇଁ short trick होची Dr. Kusum. But Dr. Kusum. D for Desert National Park. R for Ranthambore National Park. K for Kailado National Park. Then S for Sariska National Park. M for Mukunda National Park. This is the national parks of what? Rajasthan. And the short trick is Dr. Kusum. Dr. Kusum. Then move to next slide. National parks of Assam. It is very important, and you can see one question from this national park in various exam. To remember the trick to visualize the national parks of Assam, trick is a man naming Ranga was the professor of Rajiv Gandhi College. While eating dahi, he told his student to eat dabur honey and practice asana to stay fit. What is the trick? A man naming Ranga was the professor in Rajiv Gandhi College. While eating dahi, he told his student to eat dabur honey and practice asana to stay fit. So, from man it comes from Manas National Park. For naming it comes from Nemeri National Park. Then Ranga Kaziranga. There is a relation, so remember this. Kaziranga National Park with the professor of Rajiv Gandhi. Rajiv Gandhi, it comes from Rajiv Gandhi Orang National Park. Then while eating dahi we can remember Dahi Patkai National Park. It told his student to eat dabur. Dabur, it comes from Dibur Saiko National Park. And the practice Assam means to remember the name of the state is Assam. This is the short trick of Assam. Then move to the National Park of Arunachal Pradesh. Remember the National Parks of Arunachal Pradesh. Trick is Namo. NA for Namdhap National Park in Arunachal Pradesh. MO for Mauling National Park in Arunachal Pradesh. These two are very important national park in Arunachal Pradesh. Then to remember the National Park of West Bengal, the short trick is Boxer go to Bengal to join NSS. But now Boxer go to Bengal to join NSS. B for Boxer Tiger Reserve National Park. G for Gurumar National Park. Then to join NSS, J for Jaldapar National Park. N for Narora Valley National Park. Then S for Singalila National Park. Then S for Sundarban National Park. This is the national parks of West Bengal. And the short trick is Boxer go to Bengal to join NSS. Then to remember the tricks of National Park of Gujarat, the trick is Guru of Black Marine went to Gujarat in van. Guru of Black Marine went to Gujarat in van. The G for what? Gir Forest National Park. B for Black Buck National Park. Then M for Marine National Park, Gulf of Kutch. Then V for Bhansada National Park. So you can remember the trick is Guru of Black Marine went to Gujarat in van. Means गुजरात में गुरु से जी, तो जी टर्म से व्हाट ना गिर फॉरेस्ट नेशनल पार्क. देन ब्लैक टर्म से फर्स्ट लेटर इज बी, दिस इज ब्लैक बक नेशनल पार्क. देन व्हाट मेराइन फर्स्ट लेटर इज एम, तो मेराइन नेशनल पार्क. तो यू कैन रिमेंबर लाइक दिस. देन मूव टू नेक्स्ट व्हाट नेशनल पार्क्स ऑफ महाराष्ट्र. एंड द ट्रिक इज संजय गोगा ऑफ तड़वा saw new moon. Sanjay Goga of Tadova saw new moon. For Sanjay, first term is S. You can remember Sanjay Gandhi National Park. Then Goga's first term is G. You can remember Gugumala National Park. Then Tadova, you can remember Tadova National Park. Then new moon, N for Nebgaon National Park. but Nevgaon National Park. Then moon first term is M. M for Chandoli National Park. Chandoli means Chanoli. Chand moon is called as Chand in Hindi. So you can remember just like this. Sanjay Goga of Tadoba saw new moon. The first term of the word is to remember the names of the national park. You can write down the national park tricks in a copy and you can remember this. Then national parks in Karnataka. Short trick is Ashish Kundan band in Nagpur. But Ashish Kundan band in Nagpur. Ashish first term is A, that is Anshi National Park. Kundan means K, that is Kundarmukh National Park. Band B for Banarghat National Park. Then band for Bandipur National Park in Nagpur. N for Nagarhole National Park. This is very important national parks in Karnataka. The trick is Ashish Kundan band in Nagpur. The first letter of the word is the short trick to remember the name of the national parks in Karnataka. Then national parks in Kerala. Very important. And the trick is a famous school in Kerala was inaugurated by Modi ji. One day the teacher of math Padma asked a question to Rabi and Karim. The question was, what is the perimeter of a square? Both were silent as they had not studied. Trick is what? A famous school in Kerala was inaugurated by Modi ji. One day the teacher of math Padma asked a question to Rabi and Karim. The question was, what is the perimeter of a square? Both were silent as they had not studied. Then the national parks of Kerala is what? Modi ji Anamudi Sola National Park. Then Mathiketan Sola National Park. पद्म से क्या होता है? पम्पदुम सोला नेशनल पार्क. रबी से इराविकुलम नेशनल पार्क. करीम से करीमपुजा नेशनल पार्क. पेरीमीटर से पेरियार नेशनल पार्क. साइलेंट से साइलेंट वैली नेशनल पार्क. So the trick of Kerala is very important. Again we can remember this. A famous school in Kerala was inaugurated by Modi ji, that is Anaimudi. One day the teacher of math Ethiketan National Park Padma Pampadum asked a question to Rabi Iraviculam and Karim Jhupa. The question was, what is the perimeter? पेरीमीटर से क्या होता है ना, पेरियार नेशनल पार्क. बोथ वेर साइलेंट से क्या, साइलेंट वैली नेशनल पार्क. दे हैड नॉट स्टडीड. देन द लास्ट नेशनल पार्क ऑफ अंडमान निकोबर. ट्रिक इज रानी ऑफ अंडमान वाज सैड गर्ल as 3 buttons of computer broke. To repair it, she went to Hari's shop on MG Road. Rani of Andaman and sad girl was 3 buttons of computer broke. To repair it, she went to Hari's shop on MG Road. तो रानी से क्या होता है, रानी झांसी मेराइन नेशनल पार्क इन अंडमान निकोबर. देन एंड सैड गर्ल, सैड से क्या होता है ना, सैडल पिक नेशनल पार्क. देन गाल से क्या होता है, द गालाथई नेशनल पार्क. आज यू कैन सी 3 बटन्स. 3 बटन से क्या होता है, नॉर्थ बटन आइलैंड नेशनल पार्क, मिडिल बटन आइलैंड नेशनल पार्क, साउथ बटन आइलैंड नेशनल पार्क. देन टू रिपेयर इट शी वेंट टू हरी शॉप ऑन MG रोड. कंप्यूटर से क्या होता है, कैम्पबेली नेशनल पार्क. हरी से होता है क्या, माउंट हैरियट नेशनल पार्क. एमजी से क्या होता है? महात्मा गांधी मेराइन नेशनल पार्क। दिस आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट नेशनल पार्क। बट कंप्यूटर कंप्यूटर से क्या होता है? कैम्पबेली बे नेशनल पार्क। हरी से माउंट हैरियट नेशनल पार्क। एमजी से महात्मा गांधी मेराइन नेशनल पार्क। दिस इज द ट्रिक. So I request you everyone, please write down these tricks in your copy and practice it more and more so that you can easily clear one question in asked in every exams. If you like this video, please share it with your friends and subscribe it and press the bell icon to get the updates